Okay, so again, we're doing lesson 17. If you have PowerPoint, you're doing lesson 17. And if you don't have PowerPoint, then you're doing another lesson because you cannot do slide zooms with Google Slides. You can only do it with PowerPoint. Okay, but I'm going to show you on PowerPoint right now. So this assignment, 7 wonders. You're supposed to insert new slide layouts that's appropriate for the instructions and content. They don't give you example slides today. So the first slide is just the title slide, and then you're just gonna put 7 wonders of the world. Oh, it says you to insert a text box. Change the background to the color of your choice. So this is supposed to be a text box. So maybe I want to make like a blank slide. Okay, and I'll delete this. Okay, so I have a blank slide and I'm supposed to add 7. So I'm just going to do new slides, 7 new slides. They're all just going to be blank slides because they just want pictures. New slide blank. I'm just going to press Control M. It's a little faster. Okay, so they're all blank slides. And then the first slide, they just want me to put a text. 7 wonders of the world. I'm going to increase it to 72. Centered. So there's a center and it needs to be bold. Okay. And then the background has to be different colors. So I'm going to right click and then go to format background and I'm going to pick a color that I want. I'm going to do just a solid color and I'll do it like this orange. Okay. And then now what they want me to do is I'm supposed to have these 7 blank slides. If you made a different layout, you could always change it to whoops. You could go here and go to layout and change it, but mine's at blank. And then you're just supposed to insert a text box at the top of each slide and type the name of the wonder. Okay, and then you need to make it 60-point bold left aligned, and then a background picture of what's associated. And then go home, insert a go home shape. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put the first slide Taj Mahal. So I'm gonna put insert text box Taj Mahal. This needs to be 60, so I go to 60. Okay, and they want it to be left aligned, so this is on the left side. And it needs to be bold. And then they need a background picture of the Taj Mahal. So I'm going to go right click, format background, and I'm going to put a picture, and I'm going to click insert picture. So let me see if there's any online pictures of the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. I don't know what this Creative Commons one is. All right, so I'm going to pick this one. It looks nice. Bam, so there's the background. I can't really see this well, so I know that they're probably going to ask me to make sure you could see it. So I mean, you can kind of see it, but I'm just going to change the background so that it's easier to see. Let me make this bigger. Shape format, shape fill. I'm going to pick like, I don't know, a light gray or something. There we go. So it's easier to see. Okay. And then they want me to insert a picture of a little home, a go home shape. if available. So what they want me to do is there should be a go home shape and it goes back to the home. So I could go to insert and I'll go to shapes. Oh no, there's no home. Oh, here, there's a home shape right here. Go home. So I make a little home and I want to hyperlink it to the first slide. Okay. I'm going to put it in the right bottom corner, right? Right bottom corner. I don't like that it's blue. I'm gonna make it like a regular black and white. And then it linked it to me, to the home for me. There's other ways you could do it too. Right, this just did it automatically because I had that because I put insert and it did that for me. If you don't have that feature, what you could do is like, for example, I could go to image and I could go to pictures and I could go to stock images. So I could just find a picture of like a home. Oh, these are not good photos. I don't like these stock. Oh, maybe icons. Look for a home. Maybe this one. Close enough. So I'll click this one and I put it in there. Oops. No, I don't want that. So just like, let's say I didn't have this. Ignore this one. So if you put a different home photo, then you right click it and then you want to link it. Click link. And then you could link it to a place in this document and you can link it to slide 1. Bam. Got it. So both of these are linked to slide 1. Oh, I thought this was supposed to be linked to slide 1. It did it for me earlier. Oh, it is right linked. If I edit link, yeah, it hyperlinks to slide 1. So both of them, there's different ways you could do it. Either way is fine. I'll just give you 2 examples. Okay, anyways, and you're supposed to do the same thing for all of them. You put this text, you put the background, and then you put a home link. And then what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to include a slide zoom of each slide on slide 1. So here's slide 1. Here, let me give you one more example. Let me just do a picture of Petra. I'm going to change the background. Insert online images. I don't even know what Petra looks like. Petra. Oh, that's cool. There it is. Okay. And I'm supposed to have the text and stuff like that. I'll just put it here. Petra. Okay. And then it wants me to have this little home button. So there, I got the home button. Okay. Anyways, so let's say I had done all of these. These are all supposed to be done. And what you're supposed to do is put them on slide number 1. Apply picture border to all of them. Position all 7 so they don't overlap. Okay. So what's a slide zoom? Basically, it's an image of that slide. So you go to insert. I have to make it bigger so you can see. And it's right here. It is. Slide zoom right here. So you go to slide zoom. And then I'm going to insert 1, 2, and I'm supposed to do all of them. So like imagine my other ones are done. So I insert all 7 and bam, they're all here. And I'm supposed to make it so that it's easy to see. Right? So maybe I'll put like 3 on the top and then 4 on the bottom. And they don't all fit. So I think they wanted me to adjust the size. Let me take a look at the size adjustment. It's supposed to be, the width is 3 inches and the height is 1.69. So here I click one of the images, I click to the zoom, and the width is supposed to be 3 inches. And the height is 1.69. Yeah. So I'm supposed to do all of them like that. So I click the image, it's in zoom, and I just change the width to 3 inches and it does it automatically. 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches. Okay, and then now they should be able to fit. Okay, so, and then I'm supposed to fit them nicely and neatly so that you could see all of them clearly. I don't like how that is. Maybe I'll do like this. I'll do 2 and then 3. Ah, that's ugly. I mean, that's not attractive. Whatever, you're supposed to see it so that it's all nice and neat and presentable. It's just an uneven number, so it's not going to look good. I don't know why they... No, maybe I'll do 2 at the top. And then 3 in the middle and then 2 on the bottom. Yeah, there we go. That looks a little better. All right, so just imagine I did it nice and neatly. And then the last thing is they want you to have borders for all of them. Apply a picture border of your choice. So I can use any of these border styles, or I can make a like custom border. So maybe I'll do black, and then I'll make like a thick weight, and then I'll make like a shadow or something. Okay. So I just make a custom border for all of them. I don't like how that looks. But anyways, yeah, you're just supposed to pick a border, whatever makes sense to you. I'd rather, for me, it looks better if I made my own border like that. Oh, that looks a lot better. So you just apply a border for all of them. And I'm not going to do it. I'm just giving you a few examples. So the final product should look like this, but complete. Okay, format the text so that you could see and it's professional. Da 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 da. That's it. Okay, so that's assignment lesson 17.